Welcome to Beesalong. This hive has been here for over 6 months, so through the winter, and I've discovered today the temperature has been 35°C and it's obviously now in the wrong place. This hive has overheated today. It's 35 degrees. It's the hive with the Smart Doctor bottom base, and I don't think they're able to vent enough. I've put a bit of shade to the side of the hive and opened it right up, but I've had it set with just 2 entrances open and the blue one on the right closed. So I'm going to have to open that one up. I'll have to leave it until evening. Hopefully the hive will cool down and the bees will go back in. Not happy with that bottom board. I will change it for my normal open screen board with the tray. They're not happy. The temperature has dropped down to 29 degrees. And the bees are coming in and out quite normally now. There's very few dead bees on the ground in the front, so I think I've been lucky. No matter how experienced or how much you think you know, you can still get caught out. There's another hive doing bad as well. Second day for this hive. It's nearly 35 degrees. I've covered it over with some cardboard because they must have got pretty hot. They're bearding on the outside. And fanning like mad. I didn't spot that the sun would come past the building at about 2 o'clock and put it in absolute full sun. I'll come back later and see how they're progressing. To normal. Bearding is stopped and the bees are coming in and out as per normal. Lesson learned. Hooroo now. Take care. For future videos and updates, please subscribe, then click the bell.